a wanted man allegedly involved in 2004 Sagolban Salam Lekai shootout was arrested by Imphal West Police from Basikong last evening. Reportedly, Ningombam Ibomcha of Basikong Kongba Irong allegedly shot that one RK Sana Jawa of Sagolban Salam Lekai in 2004. The BSF Meghalaya frontier has urged local residents along the Indo-Bangladesh border to be on guard to prevent illegal intrusion through the international borders. According to media reports, the appeal came in the wake of apprehensions that illegal Bangladeshis may cross over to India, taking advantage of the Citizenship Amendment Act 2019. The 17th edition of Asa Mahotsav promises to take the Johartians on a roller coaster ride through the cultural traditions and customs of 6 ethnic communities of the state. According to media reports, the Asa Mahotsav will be held from January 16 to 29 at the JDSA field of Jorhat. Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister and senior NCP leader Ajit Pawar has got the finance and planning department, while his colleague Anil Deshmukh is the new Home Minister of the state. According to a report, besides first-time Shiv Sena MLA Aditya Thackeray, who is the son of Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, has been given charge of the environment, tourism and protocol departments. The first T20 international cricket match between India and Sri Lanka will play at Barsapara Stadium of Guwahati this evening. Already around 27,000 tickets have been sold out. To be mentioned, Board of Control for Cricket in India (BCCI) has strictly instructed the Assam Cricket Association to take up additional security measures in and around the stadium.